So I would like to thank the speakers for participating in this morning's focus session. I have one quick slide. We started off with Rudolph showing the ability to engineer iPSCs and differentiate these into therapeutically relevant cell types, and really highlighted the important role that these cells can have in disease modeling. Bob Valamer highlighted progress that we've made at Fate over the past 8 or 9 years in developing a platform to engineer iPSCs with an emphasis on differentiating these into definitive CD34 cells that have potential to be turned into NK and T cells for off-the-shelf immunotherapies. Dan Coffin gave a wonderful talk describing the progress his lab's made over the past decade and some really interesting recent progress they've made in generating very potent INKs, again, with a clear path to off-the-shelf immunotherapy applications. And finally, Michelle Sadline, I think, just really shows the progress that's being made to creating these iPSC-engineered cells and differentiating them into functional, safe T cells that really have a clear path now to being used in off-the-shelf cancer immunotherapies. Reflecting back on the past decade, it's certainly been an interesting time period for iPSC research, starting back in 2006 with pioneering work by Rudolf Jenisch and Shinya Yamanaka with the original demonstration that you could create pluripotent cells by overexpressing 4 factors. In subsequent years, the ability to demonstrate that we could reprogram virtually any cell type. And over the years, going from integrating vectors to non-integrating vectors that had a clear path to clinical translation. Work that's been done in subsequent years to develop the development of small molecules that improves the efficiency of not only the generation of iPSCs, but the maintenance and differentiation protocols. And I think this progress has culminated in 2014 with the first patient being treated by an iPSC-derived cell in Japan. So moving forward, I hope that the presentations that you sat through this morning really highlight the potential for using iPSC technology to generate the next generation of safe, effective, off-the-shelf, universal NK and T cells, with the goal of fighting and curing cancer. So thank you very much for your attention today, and it looks like we're in for a very an awesome ISSCR. So thank you.